Hello, my name is Abel Chavez, and today I will be talking about pseudo class and pseudo elements. The reason why I pick this topic is because it seems to be very interesting and useful. First of all, let me start making a description of what a pseudo class is. A pseudo class is attacked under certain conditions in a certain state when something has been done to it by the browser or by the user with a special condition that applies to that element. For example, the pseudo-class Hoover will change his appearance as you click on it. Or the pseudo-class active, as you click on it, it is the active state of that link. Pseudo-class can be applied to a p tag, a tag, div tag, section tag, or any other tag where the pseudo-class element is. If we want to make a list of all the pseudo-class, it will be a big list. So I come out with a very short list of the most common used pseudo-class. As you can notice, the first one that by now everybody knows about it is the pseudo-class Hoover, active, link, focus, check, visited, optional, require, among others. Let me show you three examples of pseudo-class. As you see, I have CodePen open with three pseudo-class that I'm going to use this time, which are Hoover, check, and require. The syntax for this example is very simple. In my HTML page, I have this tag. First of all, I have this small paragraph, then a tag, type checkbox checked, which is the pseudo class, a medium size paragraph, and then I have another tag in the bottom, which is the pseudo class require. The conditions you can see in my CSS file are here. For the pseudo class Hoover, I have these conditions right here, which means as soon as I place the cursor on the top of the paragraph, because it's in the paragraph, this will change for the default font in color to the Arial black with dark blue. Let's see if that works. By placing the cursor over the top of the paragraph, this immediately changes to the condition of the font family, in this case Arial black, with the dark blue color. And it's going to do the same with the first paragraph. So this is Hoover, and this is the pseudo class Hoover. Now, for the pseudo class checked, I have this condition in place, which means as soon as I checked the box checked, this is supposed to give me a margin of 2 rems around it. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna check this box, and immediately, according to the condition that I have in the CSS file, this is supposed to give me 2 rem of margin around this checkbox. Let's see if that works. As you notice, the space around the checkbox has increased. If I unmark it or unchecked, it will go to the default place. So that is working just fine. Now, let's see the require box. And the conditions that I have are right here. As as soon as I click on the text box, this is supposed to give me a font with red color and with a size of 25 pixels. And the optional is the margin of 1 rem, which is this one. So let's see if that works. Okay, so let me put some text on it. So as you see, it's working as expected. Now, these are, like I said, the pseudo class examples. Now, let's talk a little bit more about the pseudo elements. What is a pseudo element? A pseudo element is not a tag. It doesn't exist in the HTML page. The pseudo element, they don't exist as a tag. It's a keyboard added to the selector that let us style a specific part of the selected element or elements. For example, it can be used to style the first letter or the line of an element, insert context before or after. I have here a small list of pseudo element, and like I said, they are very easy to understand and is defined by two semicolons like this. And in this case, we have the after, before, first letter, first line selection. Let me show you with some examples. CodePen, and as you notice again, the syntax that I'm using for my HTML is very simple. In this case, there is just one paragraph. And the style with the pseudo elements that I'm using is here. The first one is the first line. The second one is the first letter. And the third one is the after pseudo element. And these are the conditions. On the first line of the text, I'm styling with dark blue color. And the opposite option will be the small caps. Okay, so as you notice, we have here the small caps and the first line. And as you see, I've increased the size. The first line will be always blue. And I can change this to another color. For example, let's say we want green on it. So let's see. Oh, if I can type. And as you notice, it changed to the green color on the first line because that's the condition for the first line. Now, the other condition that I have for the first letter is that I assigning the red color to it. And let's increase the size to see how this works. Let's give it some, let's see, 3 rem. And there it is. Lastly but not least, we have the pseudo element after. In this case, the content is an emoji, which is this little monkey. And I added a padding to it. In this case, is 1 rem. If you want it a little closer to the paragraph, we can do that. And you see how it changed the distance. But in this case, let's keep it for 0.5 rem. So this is the few examples that I have for pseudo class and pseudo elements, and I hope you um, um, like this presentation, and I'm willing to receive comments and suggestions. Thank you so much.